brother in India. This is the message, Ate. Okay? Hasana, happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. We wish you the best of everything in your life, success and power in your career, profession and in your love life. We wish and pray that God will grant your dream to pass the board exams 2009 and to be an attorney next year, 2010. Good luck and God bless you always in all of your undertakings. We love you and miss you so much. Daddy, Mommy, and Sean.
Ano ba naman natin sa kanyang message? Thank you, Tita Lisette, for that wonderful message. Siyempre, Tita Lisette, kami, Tita Lisette. Siyempre, hindi ka nagtatapos na, nakita muna. Siyempre, kailangan mo mabigyan ng yung special wish para sa sister natin na si Ma'am Sanet. What is your wish naman para sa kanya, Ma'am? Your own wish?
Okay, I really love you, Ate, and you know that. So, in this very special day and this special moment of your life, I wish you the very best. Everything that Mama said, and more. You already know what I wish for you, and that is for you to be more top-notcher.
Palakpakan naman natin masaya si Ma'am Gusset. Thank you, Ma'am Gusset. Ayan, I know that wish will come true someday. Maging top-notcher si Ma'am. I know that. So, syempre, Ma'am, sana hindi lang pwede sila Mama, Papa, si Tita Gusset na special wish para sa'yo. Ang ating mga guest si Jollibee and Betty, may nandaring wish mula sa kanilang Johnny Talk to be from here. Okay, ilan ang wish? Ay, sino pala muna? Hetty first, Ma'am. So, Hetty, ilan ang wish mo para kay Ma'am Sanet? You have 2 wishes. So, Tita Sanet ang wish ni Hetty. First wish, for Ma'am Sanet, to grow up, lumaki siya na, ayan, loving, lady, mapagmahal sa isa't isa. Palakpakan naman natin si Betty. Siyempre naman. Baka ba hindi grow right? Hetty, ah? Okay, isa pa, Hetty. Second wish, and for the last wish ni Hetty, Ma'am. Once again for you. To grow up, lumaki po kayo na maabot ang pangarap niyo. Siyempre maging top notcher sa more exam. Palakpakan naman natin si Hetty.
Graduate na yan!
Siyempre, Ma'am, ang iyong katabi na si John. Text na lang. So, Charlene, ka wala kang cellphone. Alright. Nasaan natin sa labas? Nagkala mo na yung V. Okay, Jollibee, you have your wish para kay Ma'am Sanet. Alright. Ilan? Isa lang. Dalawa. Ano ba? Tatlo. First wish for Ma'am Sanet. For her, again, to grow up as strong and healthy. Katulad nino. Katulad ni... Sige, Jollibee, magturo ka dyan. Tita! Si Tita! May naka-black na ano. Sa jacket. So, Tita. Ano ba ka lang ba? Tita? Tita Robby na. Palakpakan naman natin. Wow. That is what you call healthy eating. Okay, second wish, Jollibee, of course. Pangalawa for Ma'am Sanet again, for her. Ano Jollibee ang wish mo? To grow up na? Ano yan? To grow diretso. Okay. Ang gulo mo, Hetty? Okay, kumusin kayo dalawa dyan. Okay na, Hetty? Yan, Hetty.
Bogura?
Alright. Open it. Para kay Ma'am Sanet.
Bogura?
Dyan, ho. Wow, so beautiful. It's like a prayer. Yung pinakamalaking gift na matanggap mo, Ma. Alright, Jollibee. This is from Yen and Monright. Asa sila? Di ba sa giveaway support the kids? Alright, so this is ako magpalang sa iyo, Jollibee. Ayan. Siyempre, parang hindi kayo bibigay kay Ma'am Sanet wala sa inyong Jolly Town. Parang Jolly Friends Sanet, Ma'am. Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman natin once again sa Hetty and Jollibee, of course. Thank you. Ay, picture ka for the last time. Smile.
Video.